So, it's Christmas time! Yay! And in about 3 or 4 days, we're going to be opening presents and having a look what's inside and stuff. But today, before I make my more Christmassy video, I'm going to print Christmassy things, I guess. I'm going to model them in Fusion 360 and then print them. Don't know how it's going to turn out, but hey, hope it turns out well. So, let's do it. So, first things first, the Christmas tree. You see, it looked great in Fusion 360, but when I printed it out, it didn't really go so well. I had a bunch of adhesion problems, like it would just keep falling off, it would create these stringy bits. And yeah, if you look at what it looks like in Fusion 360, it does not look like this, surprisingly. Yeah, what happened was I was trying to remove the supports, and they're just too stiff, like it's fused, like, it's like part of the thing now. And if I try to remove it, it'll just snap it off, like what happened here. That's enough about that. Let's talk about this bauble. Yeah, I kind of like how it came out, you know, Jazzy Prince branded bauble. Yeah, that's pretty sick. I used the emboss tool, and I had to make a flat bit over here so the text could actually go on the bauble, but it's not too bad. This one didn't turn out too well. Like with this one, the supports were almost pretty much easy to take off, like, except up here. All the supports were pretty much easy to get rid of, but on this, it was a disaster. Like, I kind of regret putting supports on this now, because there's no way I'm getting supports out of that. I was like way too far in. And this was just a disaster, you know. Like, it was too thin and too brittle, and so it just snapped off pretty much instantly. But forget about that. Focus on this. The bauble came out pretty good. Let's put it on a tree. Huh. Nice. Yeah, looks pretty alright. Doesn't really fit in that well. Kinda blends in, but hey. It works as a bauble. Right, we're back. Sorry for the little disappointments along this video, but stay tuned for the next video coming out later this week, because it's going to be Christmassy themed. More than this. Or maybe the same. Anyway, until then, see ya!